A warm welcome to the complete guide to IELTS. Let's start with introduction. What is IELTS? Well, IELTS is International English Language Testing System designed by Cambridge. More than 150 countries across the world accept the scores of IELTS. Cambridge conducts the test with two other partners, IDP, International Development Programme, and the British Council. If you want to book a test, it is either through IDP or through the British Council. The form and format of the test is exactly the same. If you opt for pen and paper through IDP, you can have a freedom of choosing a speaking slot of your convenience, provided you must do that 12 days before the test. If not, IDP will allocate a slot for you. IELTS conducts the test in 4 skills of the language: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Exactly on the test day, you have listening, reading, and writing in the same sequence. It is a 3 hours test. Speaking is usually conducted on another day. Sometimes it can also be on the same day. As a proof of identification, you need to show a passport without expiry at the time of the test. The test is conducted 2 to 3 times a month. If you opt for computer delivered test, you have more dates available. Once if you get the scores, they are valid for 2 years. The test is conducted in 2 categories. Academic is for students who wants to pursue higher studies in a foreign university. General is for working professionals who want to immigrate to lead a happy and a prosperous life. Coming to the differences between the two, listening and speaking modules are exactly the same. Reading module, academic and general. The test time and the number of questions are exactly the same. The difference lies in the language used in the text, which is complex and is difficult to understand for academic, whereas for general, language used is simple and is easy to understand. And for academic, you have more question types to work. That makes it complicated. Coming to the writing, academic task 1 is a report writing. You have a bar graph, pie chart, and for general, it is letter writing. A task 1, you can spend 20 minutes on it. You must write it in at least 150 words. Task 2 is common for both academic and general. It's an essay that you must write. You can do that in 40 minutes. You must write it in at least 250 words. The test is conducted in 2 different ways. One is computer delivered test, another one is pen and paper. Coming to the differences, the test content is exactly the same, but if you go for computer, you need to give your answers on the screen. Whereas the same for pen and paper, you have to write your answers on the answer sheet provided at the time of the test. For a computer test, you have a rough sheet provided for each module. But for pen and paper, you must use a question paper instead for any rough work. The great advantage of computer delivered test is you get your scores on 5th working day. But for pen and paper, you get it on the 14th working day. Coming to the differences in the modules, in listening module, 30 minutes of audio will be the same for both. But for computer test, you will have just 2 minutes of additional time for any spelling check or the last minute alterations of your answers. And the same for pen and paper. The 30 minutes of audio is the same along with 10 minutes of additional time, which you can use to transfer your answers from the question paper into your answer sheet. Now coming to reading, it's really a user-friendly screen with 2 different windows. In one window, you can scroll the text up and down. In the other, you have the questions. You also have the options of highlighting the text. Whereas coming to reading pen and paper, you have to give your answers on the answer sheet. Writing differences, if it is computer, there are no options of spelling and grammar check. But for pen and paper, if you're really worried about your handwriting, you don't have to, because that doesn't affect your score at all. Coming to the word count, in computer test, you really have an advantage of word count displayed on the screen. Whereas for pen and paper, you have to count on your own. Speaking is a face-to-face interaction. It's the same for academic or general, whether you opt for computer or for pen and paper. Speaking is exactly the same. And if you are a computer professional working for so many years on systems, computer test suits you. If you are still in a dilemma, to have an experience of computer delivered test, take a free computer test available on IDP. Hope this information helps you to take a right decision. If you want to write IELTS, give it a thought. Crack the test with flying colors. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.